Hi everyone, I'm Sid, and today we're going to play one of my favorite games, Guess the Job. I'll give you 3 clues about someone's job, and you try to guess who it is. Ready? Let's go! Here's your first one. They help you feel better when you're sick. Clue number 2, they wear a white coat. Clue number 3, they check your heartbeat with a stethoscope. Who do you think it is? That's right, a doctor.
I help you when you're feeling sick. I'll help you feel better in no time.
Okay, here comes the next one. Clue 1, they wear a big helmet. Clue 2, they ride in a red fire truck. Clue 3, they put out fires and keep us safe. Any guesses? You got it, a firefighter.
When you hear the siren, I'm on my way to help and save the day.
Yum, this one smells delicious. Clue 1, they wear a tall white hat. Clue 2, they mix, stir, and cook all day. Clue 3, their kitchen always smells so good. Who could it be? Yes, a chef.
Today's special is pancakes with a smile.
Time to learn. Clue number 1, they help you learn your ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. Clue number 2, they work in a classroom. Clue number 3, they read stories and help you grow smart. Can you guess? That's right, a teacher.
Let's open our books and learn something fun today.
Let's build it up. Clue 1, they wear a yellow helmet. Clue 2, they use big machines. Clue 3, they build homes, roads, and schools. Who is it? Yes, a construction worker.
Time to build something strong and safe.
Wow, you're so smart. You guessed them all. Now it's your turn. What do you want to be when you grow up? Tell us in the comments or share with your friends. See you next time, guys. Bye-bye.